y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you haven't been here before, go on, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget to hit that bell notification just so you get notified when I upload. And then if you have been here before, welcome back. So today we are going to be going over the full collection from Colourpop. It was their Wild Nothing collection. This came out like late last year. I'm gonna be doing like first impressions. I have used the palette a couple times just to do like some swatches and like basic colors in my crease, but not like major eyeshadow looks or blushes or anything like that. So if you have the collection, let me know what you think of it. I already got most of my face on. We have some face products, but most of it is eyes. So we did get 3 blushes in this collection. I believe I got the whole collection. I believe so. But there are 3 blushes and they come in these cute little square compacts that have the little succulent cactus on it. And this one is called Crossroads. And it is this color. And they all have a little bit of shimmer in them, which I'm not the biggest fan of shimmer in my blushes, but I'm hoping this makes it more like a healthy glow instead of a glitter. But this color is really pretty. Let's see. So the next color is this one, and it is called On the Horizon, and it is like this, it's not like dusty pink, but it's not like pink. I don't know. It's like a rosy pink with maybe a little bit of like dustiness to it. But there is that shade. They feel really good. They are, they're not like super dusty. They don't feel super dusty to me at least. So I am excited to try them. I don't know which one I want to go in with yet today though. The third and last color is going to be this one. It is called Wayfarer, and it's more of a peachy one. It as well has a little flecks of shimmer in them, but it came, and I don't know if you guys can tell, that's my fingerprint right there, but it came and it was like, I don't know if you can tell, like it was like popping forward out of the container. I don't know words. But you can see kind of like a crack, and so I tried to press it back down, but I'm just nervous that it's gonna crack if I press too hard. So I'm gonna swatch from the bottom half of it, and then so there's those two are pretty similar, other than this one's obviously darker. So we'll see which one. I think I actually might want to go in with the pinky one, but we'll see. The compacts do come with a mirror in it, which is, it's a pretty decent sized mirror, so that's really nice. Ooh, a lot of dusties came with it. So it is buildable, and the glitter, you can see it. It's nothing major that I'm super mad about, but like at the same time, it's just not my cup of tea. Is it gonna keep me from using them again? No, because it's not like it has like huge chunks of glitter in it, but you can, I mean, it does give me like a really nice like sheen there. I do not know. Actually, I do know what's going on right here. Ignore it. I have some like blemish stuff going on with my skin, and it's this, that's literally what this is underneath, is I have some like patchiness right here, so ignore that. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish my face, highlighter, all that, and then when I come back we will move into the eyes. So I'm back. I went on and I finished off my face and my lips, so now all that's left is the eyes. This collection came with 4 cream shadows, and they were all skin tones, and I don't know if you can see those. So here is, I believe this is meant to be the lightest one. It is called Bronco, and then here is Laurel, and then we have Camouflage and Moonbeam. And I think the way that I'm going to use it is I'm going to use it more of like a base to my shadows, just to see how that works out. Just because I'm typically not a cream eyeshadow kind of gal, but I still wanted to get it to try it and see what the formula was like. So I'm going to be going in with like, this is typically like a concealer brush. I'm going to be using that on my eye with the shade, let's see, probably going to mix Bronco and Laurel. If we're going off of like what it covers, it's covering all my, like the veins and freckles that I have on my eyes. So I do like that. So if this works out, that'd be really nice. My eyelids do feel kind of thick, kind of sticky, and that's what I was afraid of with the cream shadow, which is why I'm also going to be going in with eyeshadow, like regular eyeshadow on top of it, so it doesn't give me that sticky, thick feeling. This is what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. It's called the Wild Nothing palette. I loved it and I had to have it. And then this is what the palette looks like. And I believe Sultan, this color right here, and then Spirited, which is this color right here, are Super Shock shadows. Which I don't know how that works out, because the other packaging for the Super Shock shadows, people say they dry out quickly. So you typically have to have like the lid on tight. So I don't know if this will be tight enough to keep them from drying out too quick, but we'll see. So I'm going to be going in with this Vagabond color right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. I wish it did have a mirror in it. That would be really nice for like on the go. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit more of a denser packed brush, not by much, but a little bit. And I'm going to be going in with Come Together, the shade right here, and just going a little bit lower with that. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color No Bounds, which is this darkest like chocolate brown, just in the outer corners, just a little bit. That is a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. The other ones I had to like build up. I was not wanting this dark of a look, but that shade did not come to play. Wow, okay. And it's not even, it's blotchy. Like, this side is looking a lot better than this side. So the shimmer color that I'm gonna go on my lid with is, I'm gonna start with Coastline, this one right here. And I'm gonna be going in with a flat brush. For my inner corner, I'm going to be going in with one of the Super Shock shadows. And I'm going to be going in with Sultan, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be trying to go in with a brush to see if it will pick up any of that like putty-like formula. And it looks like it is. And I'm just using a pencil brush, a round pencil brush like that, just to put it in my inner corners for a little extra sparkle. So there were two more items that was in this collection, and they were called the Jelly Much. What were they? Jelly Much shadows, and we had it in shade Mystical and Mojave Moves. And I was really excited about these. And I mean, I was planning on using these in my look today, but when I opened them, they're supposed to be like a jelly formula, and it's kind of like dried out, kind of crusty looking. So I don't think I'll be able to use them. I don't feel safe putting them on my eye when they're this flaky, dried out looking, which is kind of sad because I was really excited about them. And they weren't even like opened yet to let air in to let them dry out. But I mean, it's been several months since they came out. So I mean, that could be on me, but also I didn't open it to like allow it to dry out. So really sad about that. So there were those as well. They might be amazing. I don't know. I can't attest to that. So I am going to actually now go back off camera, finish the rest of my eye look, and I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished eye look. The reason I didn't want my outer corners to be super, super dark was because I wanted to go in with just a mascara day. Didn't want to worry about lashes since I was trying to do like a lighter look on the eye. I wanted to do a lighter look with my lashes, but here it is. I went in with the Big Ego mascara, one of my favorites, and then I actually went in with a dark foresty green eyeliner on my waterline, and it is called Fast Lane from Colourpop, just to have a little bit of color and not make it so brown. And then there was also, I almost forgot about him, and this was probably like my favorite product from this launch. I actually don't even have all 5 with me. I have 4 of the 5 because one of them I keep in my purse because I love it so much. And they are the Luxe lip oils, and there is a clear one called Dewdrop. There's one in between these. I don't remember what that one's called, but it is my favorite. It's the one I keep in my purse. This one is called Playa Vista, Hot Shot, and then Bingle. And this one's more of a pinky color. But I love these. I'm very picky about what I put on my lips. I don't want it to be sticky. I don't want my hair to be constantly getting stuck in it or feel like when I'm talking my lips are getting stuck together. I don't like that. So I'm very picky, but I love these lip oils just because they moisturize, I don't even know how to explain it. They're there, but then they're not there, and they just soak into my lips, and I don't think that's the right word, but they just moisturize and feel so healthy and nourishing on my lips. And then the color, it's like a barely there color. No matter which one you go with, it's just going to be barely there, and it's so nice. And I just love them, and if I could have all my lip glosses in this formula, I would, because I just love it so much. So the one I'm going to be going in with today is going to be Playa Vista, which is the one shade darker than the one that I normally go in with. There you have it all. That is the final look. That is this collection. So just a quick rundown. I really like, I think the most that I like I just said, are the lip oils. Those were the standout. Love them so much. They're not sticky. They're slippy, so they're not my lips don't stick. They don't feel tacky. They don't feel heavy. I love it. Next would probably have to be, I do really enjoy this palette. If you do go in with this dark brown, just be careful because the other ones are so light that you do have to build them up. But then once you get to this dark brown, it is so much darker compared to the other ones that it's ready to go. But I really do like them, and I do like these Super Shock shadows for just a nice little twinkle. And let's see, what else was there? The Jelly Much shadows. If I had to pass on something, it'd probably be these, just because they were kind of disappointing. It seems like they do dry out quickly. I mean, they look like they're gonna be so pretty, so sparkly, a lot of shine, and then they're dried out and flaky, and this is the first time I've opened them. So, kind of sad about that. The cream shadows, you do not obviously need them in every single shade. Get the one that is more your skin tone, or one lighter, however you want to work it. But then I feel like they did pretty good at being a base for my shadow. On their own, they felt really heavy on my eyelids and tacky. But then once I put shadows on top of them, really, really pretty. Really like them. The blushes, they're pretty. They kind of remind me of ones I've already seen from Colourpop. And I'm not the biggest fan of the glitter in them. I mean, it's very fine reflex, very fine, small. Can barely tell that they're there, but you can still tell that they're there. So if there's a specific shade that you want, great, go for it. They're beautiful formula. I love Colourpop's blushes, but they're just not my cup of tea. But that was it for this collection. I like how this look came out. Other than my face makeup, it's really irritating. There's like, I don't know, dots all over, like, not good. Not good. But I do like the eyeshadow look. I think it became like a very natural, the dark brown made it more not everyday natural look, but I really do like it. The brown was a little difficult. The dark brown was a little difficult to work, but once you got it there, it was there. And the shimmer that I used all over the lid is beautiful. So I really, really like this look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you plan to get anything out of this collection, or if you haven't, what you think about it. And then let me see. I think that is all for today. I hope you all are having a great day, a great night. Go on and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that bell notification and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.